What's up, guys? Hey, so today we are doing a song. We're doing, what's the name? I Knew You Were Trouble When You, yeah, I Knew You Were Trouble from Taylor Swift. I love her. She's awesome. Yeah. So before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification button so you'll know when more videos are posted. Let's get started. Okay, so this does have a lot of repetitive words, which it comes in handy when doing this. Okay, so once upon a time is one whole sign. It's once upon a time, like in the past, once upon a time. Like in the future, it'd be this, but in the past, it's that. Okay, a few mistakes ago, and so when you sign a few, so make an A, so it'd be a few, a few mistakes. It's also wrong mistakes ago, so a few mistakes ago. Gotta keep my phone on. I was in your sights, so I was in your sights, like sights. You got me alone, so you got me alone. You found me. You found me. You found me. You found me. So, next little segment. I guess you didn't care, so I guess. So, guess. You didn't care. So when you sign, I didn't care. So it's on your nose and go, bam. You could also do this, but I like this one better. Guess you didn't care, and I guess I liked that. You, and when I fell hard. So and when I fell hard, you took a step back. So step back. Without me. Sorry, I'm back. I was told my hair was distracting because I messed with it a lot in a couple of videos. So I'll put it back. And I didn't want to redo that, so. Okay, so, and he's long gone. So, and he's long gone. When he's next to me, so when he's next to me, I realize the blame is on me, so it's the blame. Sorry, I do my dad. Blame is on me. 'Cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Okay, so, 'cause, this is also why. So why and 'cause. 'Cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So, walked in. So, shame on me now. So, shame. Which I found really odd because I thought this was like this was the real sign, but it's not actually. It's shame. Shame on me now. Flew me to places I'd never been, so like an I love you sign. And then flew me to make two P's, places I'd never been. So you put me down, oh. So you put me down. So you, like, put me down, oh. I knew you were trouble when you walked in, so. Knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now. Flew me to places I'd never been. Now I'm lying on the cold, hard ground. Oh, trouble, trouble, trouble. Oh, trouble, trouble, trouble. Okay. No apologies. So, no. Sorry. No apologies. He'll never see me cry. Pretend he doesn't know. So, it's like... So, yeah. Pretend. Yeah. Pretend. Okay, actually. So I was right. It's pretend. Pretend. So, pretend he doesn't know that he's the reason why. So, that he's the, make an R, the reason why you're drowning. You're drowning. It'll repeat that 3 times. And I heard you moved on. So I heard you continued another relationship. Because I don't know how to, just you moved on. So it's just like this. But it's, when you're moving on from that person, it's you moved on into another relationship. So moved on from whispers on the street. So whispers on the street. So just the road, the street. A new notch in your belt is all over me. So I didn't know what notch meant, so it took a while to get that word, but there wasn't exactly a sign for that word. So notch is like kind of like an accomplishment almost, or like, okay, I did that, check it off. So when I sign notch, I'm gonna say like check off. So a new notch, so check mark on your hand. Notch on your belt, so okay, you're gonna take your hand like this. Jeez. Okay. Boop. So a new check notch on your belt is all I'll ever be. Thing. And now I see. And now I see. And it's going to repeat that 2 other times. He was long gone when he met me. And I realize the joke is on me. So I realize the joke, the joke is on me. And then we've done this part, so I knew you were in trouble when you walked in. Shame on me now, ow. Flew me to places I've never been. So you put me down, oh, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now. Flew me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold, hard ground. Oh, trouble, 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 oh, trouble, trouble, trouble. Okay. When your saddest fear comes creeping in. So, when your saddest fear, I don't know, fear, comes creeping in, so like comes, that'd be my dog, comes creeping in, just like coming in, I guess, that you never loved me, or her, or anyone. Please don't jump up here. Please don't. He jumped up here. Okay. So your saddest fear comes creeping in, that you never loved me or her, and then just push it out of the way. So love me or her, or anyone. So or anyone, or anything. Yeah. Okay. And we've done a couple of times actually. Okay. I guess that means it's time for the music. But first, you might want to see my dog. See my puppy? Hey, JJ, say hi. Hi. Oh, that's not what I meant. Hi. Well, okay, time for the music.
Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights. You got me alone. You found me. You found me. You found me. I guess you didn't care, and I guess I liked that. And when I fell hard, you took a step back. Without me, without me, without me. And he's long gone when he's next to me. And I realize the blame is on me. 'Cause I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now. Blew me to places I've never been. Till you put me down. Oh, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now. Blew me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Trouble, trouble, trouble. No apologies, he'll never see you cry. Pretends he doesn't know that he's the reason why you're drowning, you're drowning, you're drowning. Now I heard you moved on from whispers on the street. A new notch in your belt is all I'll ever be. And now I see, now I see, now I see. He was long gone when he met me, and I realized the joke is on me. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now. Blew me to places I've never been. Till you put me down. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now. Blew me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. And the saddest fear comes creeping in, that you never loved me or her or anyone or anything. Yeah. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. So shame on me now. Blew me to places I've never been. Till you put me down. Oh, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Right there. So shame on me now. Blew me to places I've never been. Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Trouble, trouble, trouble. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Trouble, trouble, trouble.
Yay, so, yeah, done. Oh, I did change a sign. So, when it says, you never loved me or her or anyone or anything, so I just said, never again. I did this, means nobody, nothing, you know. I don't know, it made more sense to me. I kind of just did it, and I forgot that I didn't show you guys that. Whoops. But, yeah, I did it. I did it on my second try, too. I'm very proud of myself right now. But I hope that helped somebody. Yeah. Follow me for more videos and ASL tutorials. Oh, I said this in my last video too, that I like came up with a plan on when I'm going to be posting. It's hopefully every 3 days. So every 3 days. If I'm not busy. I do a lot of stuff. But hopefully that's when. Awesome. My bookshelf is awesome. Just putting that out there. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.